Alright, my name is Jake. You know, mine's time blood. So you already know how smart I am. And I'm going to tell you something about a little competition in ecology. In ecology, competition is the interaction between two or more organisms that use the same amount of resource. And right now we're about to show you a video where you see two male organisms fighting over a resource of females.
Hi, I'm Babe. In ecology, commensalism is a class of relationship between two organisms where one organism benefits but the other is neutral. What's up, Todd?
What's up, man?
Hey, man, what's up?
My name is Nikolai Smirnov. Mutualism is the way two organisms biologically interact where each individual derives a benefit.
They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling, they tryna catch me riding dirty, tryna catch me riding dirty, tryna catch me riding dirty, tryna catch me riding dirty.
Alright, I'm going to explain to you what parasitism is in ecology. Parasitism is a type of symbiotic relationship between two organisms where one organism dies and the other one survives.
Hey, what's up, man? It was for my enjoyment. Come on, dude.
Alright,
Batista boss.
Jake.
Alright, get back. Stand up. Kick.
Today I'm going to find evolution and the answers.
I'll make your dog beat you,
I'm going to
huh?
answer all these questions straight up. Alright, evolution changed in the genetic composition of a population during successive generations. As a result of natural selection acting on the genetics variations among individuals
Pick
and
yourself up.
resulting in development of a new species. Alright, basically what evolution is when a species, for a certain species, and then alright, we're certain species, and then they seem to evolve to adapt to their environment. Alright?
You feel good?
Okay, what structures are common in the fossil record and suggest that organisms come from a common ancestor? Alright, okay, fossil records only provide sparse and intermittent information about the evolution of life. Okay, that's just basically talking about the fossils and their ancestors and how two fossils have how you can relate them to have the same ancestry. Okay, what role does DNA play in evolution? Alright, DNA holds the genetic codes for the organisms to change. A changing environment allows the organisms with beneficial mutations to live on and pass. Hey! Alright. Alright. To live on and pass their genes to later generations. While organisms with harmful mutations die off. Over time, the organisms with adapted to the environment. This is the process called natural selection. Alright, what role does DNA play in it? The good genetics, the good genetics stay with the new species that evolved, and then the bad species with the bad genetics that die, like retarded. Like if a duck has
AIDS.
If a duck has AIDS, it's gonna die, and so the AIDS is not gonna pass on, and the other purebred duck, get that shit. The other purebred duck without AIDS is gonna survive. Okay, next. Does the genetic structure of an individual change or the population over time? Okay, over time, the population the population will change over time because why? I don't understand why the bad species die and then I don't know. It's just the population will change over time.
Go. Monera. I'm gonna state all 5 kingdoms and give examples for each. Monera, a unicellular and colonial, including the true bacteria, eubacteria, and cyanobacteria, blue-green algae. The second one is Protista, its scientific name Protocista, unicellular protozoan, and unicellular and multicellular macroscopic algae with 9 plus
There's
2,
a hurricane.
and fragile called Undilopodia. Third one is fungi, haploid and dikaryotic, unicellular cells, multicellular, generally heterotrophic without cilia, and eukaryotic flagella. Fourth one is plantae, haplodiploid life cycles, mostly autotrophic, retaining embryo within female sex organs on parent plant. And the last one is animalium, multicellular animals without cell walls, without photosynthesis pigment forming diploid blastula.
Animalia.
Yeah, did y'all do what is natural selection?
No.
That was me, right?
We did. Yeah, that's you.
All right, come on.
Turn it. You gotta do it sideways.
Come on, cowboy.
Tell me when you're ready.
Ready?
It's been recording for like 16 seconds.
Natural selection
Restart it,
is a
idiot.
gradual,
Nah, chill.
non-random process by which biological traits become either more or less common in a population as a function of differential reproduction of their bearers. It is a key mechanism of evolution. Does the most intelligent specimen survive? Yes. Find a species that has undergone natural selection as a result of human changes to the environment. And that's a cow and a pig.
All right.
That's it.
Next question.
Hey, that's it.
That's it? All right.
Yeah.
All right, yo. It's Jake here from State Farm. All right. Does the most intelligent specimen survive? Of course, yes. You don't see any dinosaurs alive now. But we're still alive. Find a species that has undergone a natural selection as a result of human changes to the environment. Cows and pigs. We select them to make. No tiras the pelota, güey. Throw it at him and talk.
Hey, no, wait, pause it. Shut up. Hey, you gotta act normal like there's no phone.
Alright. And.
Hey, the ball's not here either.
Alright, and how?
I won't throw it hard.
Nah!
I won't throw it hard.
You can throw it hard at me. Alright.
You're at the beach, man.
Alright, how does natural selection work? Okay, the human perspective. Okay, we choose cows to milk and make our beef. And we choose pigs to make bacon and stuff. Okay, what are different biomes that what are different biomes and what do plants do to adapt to those? No, get Okay, different
I got hit on the
plants,
computer.
adaptation and PowerPoint. Okay, deserts they hold in water very well. Very well. Tundra stands cold. Stand cold weathers and taiga evergreen. Alright.
Be done.
And taiga evergreen plants. And taiga evergreen plants, grasslands, short growing, not very tall. Timber forest, flowers briefly. Tropical rainforest, low lying plants to receive sunlight. Okay, go over the following cell parts and functions. A nucleus is a large oval body near the center of the cell. Okay, to the control center for all activity in the cell and surrounded by a nuclear membrane. Nucleoplasm is a protoplasm, and the nucleus contains genetic material, chromosomes such as chromosomes and DNA. The nucleus is found in the nucleus, contains more genetic information like RNA. The cell membrane is the outer boundary of the cell. It separates the cell from all other cells. And it is porous, allows molecules to pass through. Porous like allows stuff to go through. Alright, the cell wall. Plant cells only have it. Non-living structures that surround the plant cell, and it protects and supports the cell. And it's made up of a tough fiber called cellulose. Cytoplasm is cell material outside of the nucleus, but within the cell membrane, clear thick fluid, it contains structures called organelles. Alright, vacuoles are clear fluid sacs that act as a storage area for food, minerals, and waste. In a plant cell, the vacuoles are large and mostly filled with water. This gives the plant support, like structure support. Okay, animal cells, the vacuoles are much smaller. The mitochondria is a powerhouse to the cell, center of the respiration of the cell, and they release energy for cell functions. Chloroplast is only in plant cells, and it contains green pigment known as chlorophyll, which is important for photosynthesis and is what makes the plants green. Ribosomes are tiny spherical bodies that help make proteins found in the cytoplasm or attached to the endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is ER, which is systems of the membranes throughout the cytoplasm, and it connects nuclear membrane to the cell membrane. It's a passageway for material moving through the cell. So it's like it's on the cell. It's on cell walls. Golgi bodies, they're tube-like structures. They have tiny sacs at their ends to help make protein. Not make protein, but package protein. Lysosomes, suicide sacs, small structures that contain enzymes, which are used in digestion. And if a lysosome were to burst, it could destroy the cell. Alright, question 7. What makes a plant cell different to animal cells? Cell wall chloroplast label with the following. Okay, what's the label? What's the label with the following? Alright, cell type animal, everything the same except the cell wall. And the chloroplast. Alright. Okay, what is photosynthesis and how does it relate to cellular respiration? What did you put in my head? Alright. What might say the reactions of photosynthesis are the products of respiration and the products of photosynthesis? I can't see jack, dude. Alright, whatever. Alright, are the reactants to respiration? What are the similarities and differences in viruses and bacteria? Okay, living attributes. Bacteria's living organisms, viruses' opinions differ on the weather. Viruses are form of life and organic structure. They interact with living organisms. Okay. Numbers of cells. Bacteria is unicellular, 1 cell. Viruses, no cells, it's not life at all. Structures of bacteria, DNA, RNA, they flow freely in cytoplasm. Cell wall and cell membrane. Viruses, DNA or RNA enclosed inside a code of protein. Okay, ribosome bacteria are present and the virus is absent. Okay. Enzymes, bacteria has it, viruses, some do, some don't. Nucleus, bacteria doesn't have none. And the other nucleus, and the other viruses don't have. Can cause disease, bacteria, yes, virus can. Infection, bacteria is localized and the virus is systematic. How is it treated? Bacteria? Okay, bacteria is treated with antibiotics. And viruses is treated with vaccines that prevent red spread and antiviral medication that helps slow reproduction but cannot stop it completely. It's beneficial. Bacteria is beneficial. Okay, some is beneficial. And the other one's required in the gut. Alright. Viruses some. Okay, viruses are highly effective. Alright, viruses can be genetic engineering. Okay, bacteria is in a form of asexual reproduction. Viruses invade the code and take over the cell, causing to make viral DNA. And steroids help. A virus is smaller. Okay, this is the body system of what is. Okay, the integumentary system, which includes the skin, hair, and organisms, protects all the other organisms in the body from attacked by germs and viruses.
You're done?
No. Alright, body, okay. Okay. Alright, that's what the integumentary system. The muscular system, okay, which the system includes muscles as organisms, and there are 3 kinds of muscle tissues. Okay, skeletal muscles that move the skeleton, smooth muscle, and it provides control movement and organisms. Cardiac muscle that pumps blood to the heart. This is connected to tissue, tendons, which connects muscles to bones. Skeletal system, which includes bones and joints, and what makes our bodies stable and it protects vital organs in the body. The nervous system includes the brain, spinal cord, and nerves, and it receives information from all body organisms. It directs how each organ reacts. And also directs how we operate as a team. The endocrine system that includes the pancreas, the pituitary glands, and it controls homeostasis under the direction from the already some hormones that control chemical reactions. Is there still recording me? Alright, whatever.
Miguel, don't make so much noise.
The lymphatic system is a system that includes the spleen, thymus, and it removes dead cells from foreign bodies. Body fluids. respiratory system. The system includes the lungs, the trachea, and has organs. It takes oxygen from the air and transfers into the bloodstream. And it takes carbon dioxide from the bloodstream to inhale it out of the body. Alright, the digestive system, okay, which includes the stomach, the intestines, and large intestinal organs. Its process has food, which is glucose and minerals, and the amino acids, which it passes to the circulatory system or the urine. Well, the urinary system includes the kidneys, the bladder organs, and it maintains proper balance of water and chemicals into the blood, filters all the waste products. Blood flows and filters the waste products out of the body. The reproductive system includes ovaries and testes, and it allows for the continued survival of the species by creating new organisms. Alright, question number 12. What is DNA replication process, or the role that does the tRNA and mRNA play in it? Alright, DNA is a biological process that occurs in all living organisms and copies their DNA. It is the basis for biological inheritance. tRNA is a molecule shaped like a 3-leaf clover that has an amino acid attached to it, and at the other end, and 3 bases. And the anticodon corresponds to whichever amino acid is attached to the end of RNA. When a codon of mRNA is in the position of the ribosome reading sites, the complementary RNA attaches to it, and it releases its amino acids to the ribosomes. The empty RNA is released and floats away to pick another amino acid. One at a time, the RNA comes and goes, each releasing its amino acids, eventually forming polypeptides.